Hello everybody, welcome back to What's Buzzin' at the Bee. Thank you so much for joining us today. As you can see, we have a beautiful sample behind me. This is the Autumn Skies and Pumpkin Pies machine embroidery project that we have an event coming up for our Claudia Dinnell workshop. This is the brand new pattern. It's a beautiful autumn scene, as you can see. We've got different customizations that you can make to make it unique and your own. Our workshop is coming up soon. It's January 25th through the 27th. We still have a few spots available, so if you are interested in joining us and think that you would enjoy this project, definitely give us a call and sign up for it. Like I said, it's coming up soon, so you'll want to sign up sooner rather than later so you can do some of the prep work that's necessary. We do also have a prep class that's that same week. So if you've already signed up and you want to come in and prep some of your fabrics and stuff, you can come and join us for that. But yeah, I would highly recommend signing up for this class if you are into machine embroidery. Claudia Dinnell herself is going to be here guiding you through it, and she is a fantastic teacher. So definitely join us for this. It's going to be so much fun. It's an all-day event, so 10 to 5 every day. We're going to have lunch. We're going to have a good time. So definitely join us for that. It's going to be lots of fun. And like I said, you can customize it, choose your sashing, your border prints, your thread colors if you want to. So you can definitely make this project your own. So yeah, definitely think about that. And as you can see here in the corner, we've got our wanted sign up for our stupid chicken. He's around here somewhere, so hopefully we'll see him and we can bring him into the sheriff. Okay. And that is not the only sample that we have this morning. We have quite a few beautiful new projects to show off and some of their fabrics. So let's take a look around. First up at the counter here, you can spot this gorgeous quilt here. This is the Decoupage fabric line from In the Beginning, newest line from Jason Yenter. We have a gorgeous array of florals on here. It's a beautiful sort of garden-scape. Very cool project, also works with the black and white. So it's a very cool project, super easy. This right here in the center is a table topper panel. So you start from that and you work out. It's super duper easy, as you can see from the pattern right here. Lots of fun, very vibrant florals. You've got some of the birds in here as well. So lots of, yeah, beautiful fabrics, goes together super easy. And we do have the kit available, which is just right here. It comes with the panel and all of the coordinating fabrics, this gorgeous border print that you see here. So this is going to go up shortly, so you can come in and take a look at it in the store. It is quite large, so it'd be a beautiful bedspread. So if this is speaking to you, definitely come in and take a look. We do also have our notion of the week right over here. This week we are doing bobbin holders. So we've got our bobbin boats and our bobbin savers and all of that good stuff. We've got some standard sort of bobbin cases as well. So if you need to organize your bobbins, keep them all safe and together, no more, your days of losing them will be over, because these are very handy. We've got a few different sizes depending on your machine. So remember that our notion of the week is 20% off, and you can come in and grab that. Okay, so leading you right through here, I'm actually going to show you the decoupage fabric now, because we still do have some of that. So we have a couple left of the main center panels. So you've got the gorgeous sort of table topper panel here. It's a quite large panel, works really nicely in the quilt, but you could do more of a table topper style. And then we do have some of the extra fabric left over right here in this top box. Lots of beautiful, bright, vibrant florals. And some of those black and whites are in there as well. We've got some of the border print also. So here are some of those panels. We've got some fat quarters, and we also have this version of the quilt. So instead of the panel in the center, you get this beautiful sort of ombre using the main florals in the print. So you'd use all of these gorgeous fabrics. So you kind of have two options, whether you want to do this pattern or you can just grab the kit, which is available as well. Next up, we have this beautiful line. This one is called Hummingbird Floral. It's from Wilmington Prints. So you start out with this beautiful panel here. It's a nice sort of rectangular shape. You've got these gorgeous watercolors in here, and of course, the hummingbirds. And then the coordinating fabric is just right down here. As you can see, we have a border print. We've got a lovely mix of plaids and some blenders, as well as some of those, more of those hummingbirds. So this one is very springy. It's a good transition if you're looking to kind of get more into the spring feeling. Beautiful florals here, like I said, and such a great demonstration of this watercolor theme. So a very sweet collection if that's what you're looking for. Okay, and coming right over here, we have, like I said, another project to show you. This right up here is the Marrakesh quilt using the Marrakesh fabric. The pattern is actually Moroccan tiles, but we do have the kit available for this one. The fabric is from Northcott. It's this beautiful sort of, you've got lots of those fabulous mandalas and a sort of mixture of sort of that Moroccan feel. So like I said, the kit is available for that one with that pattern. Gorgeous, gorgeous fabric, and the fabric is right over here. I will point out, we found Stupid Chicken. He's been hiding right up here. So if you find him when you come into the store and you bring him up to the counter, you can get a free fat quarter. So keep an eye out for him whenever you're in the store. Okay, and then right here is that beautiful Marrakesh fabric from Northcott. They kind of have two colorways. They have the warmer oranges and reds, and then they also have these more blues and purples and the cooler tones. They've also added some of their Stonehenge in there to add those little blenders to kind of break up some more of these really busy prints, which works really well. And here is that pattern if you would like it separately. So we're very excited about that one. You'll have to come into the store to see it in person, because in person it's very vibrant and beautiful. So stop by and check that out. And now I'm going to walk right through here through the batiks, because we have a new batik line on the end here. This one is from Wilmington Prints as well. This is their Blue Smoke collection. It starts out with all of these really deep sort of steel blues. You get into the lighter blues with that really sort of light and fresh feel. Lots of good blenders in here in the lighter collections. Really beautiful color palette. We do have some pre-cuts here as well. So we've got some layer cakes, fat quarters, charm packs, and even more up here. So lots to choose from there. It really is very nice fabric, beautiful batiks, gorgeous color scheme. Okay, and now we're gonna head right down this aisle. This one, we have just restocked our flannel. So we've got a gorgeous rainbow of beautifully soft flannel. So if you're still working on your flannel projects, if they're keeping you nice and warm, you can come by and stock up on more of that. Okay, and now I'm gonna work down our kids aisle because we have another line that's on the end right over here and a new sample. So the sample is actually just hanging up right over here. The pattern is cattywampus. It uses a couple charm packs in here to create this really neat sort of patchwork look. And the line is Hydrangea Mist. So we've talked about it before. It's this kit right here. You have the 2 charm packs and you get the jelly roll. So it's using pre-cuts, so it's super easy to put together, and it has a really beautiful sort of pastel spring feel to it. Really soft and sweet. So we're very excited about that one. We do also have the fabric here, which you've seen before, but now we have a sample. There is the panel that goes along with it as well. So if you're looking for something different, we do have the panel and the free pattern that comes with the panel as well. So if you like the panel more, you can go this way. So lots of fun, like I said, very springy and soft and sweet. So we're really looking forward to getting into more of those fabrics. Okay, and even more samples. We've got some more projects to show you. We showed you a couple weeks ago the Stallion Song collection from QT. Well, now today we have the quilt to show off, which we do also have a kit for. It's a lovely throw size and it uses the panel that comes with this collection. So kind of has all of the different little blocks that you use from the panel and some really great piecing sort of around it as well. So a really great kit here. Like I said, it is in kit form, so we do have that right over here, as well as more of the fabric and the panels. We thought we would also just mention that we have our wool and flannel tree skirt here. It was a block of the month, but now we've just put it into one kit. So it's all together. So you still have all of the blocks of the month in here, separated accordingly for each little section that you have in the tree skirt. So each little wool applique. But it's all together in one little kit now, so you can purchase it. But if you want to use it for this year and put it together, it's still in that block of the month form, so you could finish it by Christmas this year. So that one is really fun. Rebecca here at the Quilting Bee designed it, so it's of course amazing. Okay, and coming around the corner here, we have another new project. This right here, we used the Project Bag 2.0 from By Annie. And we used this really awesome Dungeons and Dragons fabric. So we made this one up kind of thinking that you could keep some of your gaming stuff in here. So if you have anybody you know that likes to play games and keep their stuff all organized, this is super fun. We do still have some of this fabric right down here that's available. So if you want to kind of make up one similar to this, you can still do that. We used this really fun sort of holographic stars of vinyl on the front, which I think makes it even more fun and magical. So it's super easy to put together. We really like this one. So this is going to be up here if you want to come take a look at that as well. Okay, moving along right here, we're very excited to announce that we have the newest Kim Deal line. This is Quiet Grace. Quite a large collection like usual, lots of options to choose from. you've still got kind of that scrappy feeling, lots of different prints, lots of different colors. She has gone a little bit more bold with the colors, so you can see some of them are a little more saturated than some of her previous ones, but still very gorgeous and bright. And we do have some fat quarters available for this one as well, so you can just grab one of those and sew to your scrappy heart's content. Okay, and now we're gonna work our way up to the counter here. We've got this right here. We're gonna show you another little sample of the Autumn Skies and Pumpkin Pies project that the Claudia Dinnell event workshop is coming up shortly. It's next week. It's the 25th through the 27th. So again, if you would like to sign up and join us, it is so much fun. It's an all-day event. So Claudia Dinnell herself is going to be here, sort of organizing the whole thing, teaching the class and giving you lots of really helpful hints if you're into machine embroidery. She does a fabulous job of creating these designs. So you can create something beautiful like this. And again, you can kind of customize to however you're feeling. So it's going to be a really, really good time. So if you're interested, you can give us a call here. You can leave a comment. You can come into the store, check out the sample that we had over there by the coffee. We would love to have you. There is still time to sign up. So if you want to do so, definitely contact us and we would be happy to sort that out for you. We had lots of amazing stuff in the show today. If there's anything that you saw here this morning that you want to see later on Whatnot, leave a comment and we will add that to our lineup of stuff that we're going to be showing on there as well. So yeah, you can join us there later. 4 p.m. Pacific time, we'll be over there as well. So definitely join us. We have a good time over there too. So thank you so much for joining us today. We hope you have a wonderful rest of your week and we will see you next time on What's Buzzin' at the Bee.